In this video, I will show you how to open the file manager from your terminal in Ubuntu. It's a quick and simple way to browse your files using the graphical interface right from where you are in the terminal. First, open your terminal. You can do that by pressing Ctrl plus Alt plus T on your keyboard, or you can search for Terminal in your Applications menu. Now, let's say you are in a directory and want to open the file manager there. For example, you are in your Documents folder. To check your current location, type pwd. This shows your current directory. Now, to open the file manager in this location, type xdg-open. Make sure you include the dot at the end. The dot means current directory. So this command tells Ubuntu to open the current folder using the default file manager. After you run that, the file manager window should appear, showing all the files and folders in your current directory. You can use this same command in any directory. That's all you need to do. Just remember, use xdg-open from anywhere in the terminal to quickly switch to the file manager in that spot. Thanks for watching.